I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing obvious dirt so the wipe contacts metal, not grit. Once done, test on an inconspicuous area for 10–30 seconds to confirm no discoloration. Use a soft motion, not abrasive scrubbing, because stainless resists corrosion but scratches easily. Make sure to work top to bottom to catch runs and drips. Open a window to ventilate fumes. Now, grab a single wipe and begin overlapping strokes to lift oils and fingerprints without pressing hard. You continue by aligning every pass with the metal grain. This reduces micro scratches and yields a uniform shine. Once aligned, keep pressure steady, firm enough to dissolve oils but not so hard that you groove the surface. For heavy soil, use 1 wipe per 1 to 2 square feet and change wipes when saturated. Make sure to avoid bleach and steel wool because they pit the finish. Instead, finish with a dry microfiber cloth to buff away residue and reveal the true luster. You finish by immediately buffing the surface dry with a clean microfiber to eliminate streaks and restore shine. Once buffed, inspect under good light and rework any missed spots. Reapply a fresh wipe and wait 1 to 2 minutes on stubborn marks before buffing again to dissolve residue. If you encounter hazing or cloudiness, make sure to neutralize residues with a mild vinegar solution, rinse, dry, and then repeat the wipe and buff sequence. This fixes most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.